Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hamza is with you. Today we're going to discuss XRP news. As you could tell, we dipped yesterday to $115,000 Bitcoin price. Today we bounced back to 117,000. The reason for the dip yesterday is because Galaxy sold 80,000 Bitcoin. 80,000, which is billions of dollars. I don't know the exact amount really. But today we bounced back beautifully, $117,000. Yesterday, XRP dipped down 7.5%, $3.14. And then I got to check X post. And it's hilarious because last week, literally, XRP hits $3. We're all excited because we got out of the $2 zone, right? And now we're at $3. We're super excited and it hit 350 and 360. So, yes, finally, today we go back to $3 and we're all depressed. But this is crypto. This is how it is. XRP is hilarious because it keeps playing games, but overall we're very up. XRP performing the best out of all the altcoins in this bull run. Another thing I want to discuss with you guys is that XRP, where is it? 1 minute. I know I saw it somewhere. Right here. XRP is no longer being ignored. 11 firms, $240 billion in assets. From denial to demand, they're racing to ETFs. It's 1849 all over again. The XRP era has officially begun. It's already begun. And this is the XRP ETF filings with the SEC, as you can see right here. Bitwise, $5 billion. Canary Capital, $200 million. 21 shares, $7 billion. Wisdom Tree, $113 billion. These numbers are no joke. Now, the big money is in XRP. Community-wise, XRP. I can't ignore the XRP hype. XRP, within this bull run, I'll be very surprised if it doesn't hit $5, $8 in the close short term. Now, a lot of people are bullish and they're saying $20, $30. I don't think we'll go there. Anything is possible. I don't know. I might be wrong. This is just my opinion. All right. So, got to go back to ChatGPT and say, hey, what's up? What does this mean? Right. So XRP is no longer being ignored. Well, no, duh. Institutions and investors are starting to take XRP seriously, and it's no longer being a maybe coin. Well, it is number 3 in the coin market cap, right? So you can't ignore XRP. Now, a lot of people, don't forget, they invested in XRP because when you look at the coins, right, you look at Bitcoin at $100,000 plus, you look at Ethereum at $3,000 plus, and then you look at XRP and you're like, oh, it's cheap, it's $2, $3,000, and it can go up. A lot of people think that way. That's not the way it is because you got to base it on the market cap. But if you're a regular retail guy, that's how you're gonna think, right? But the coin market cap for XRP is up there, but it still can go much, much higher. I'm not against that. It is in the short term. Like I said, I'd be very surprised not to see $5 to $10. Now, 11 firms, $240 billion in assets, at least 11 major financial term, altogether $240 billion, like we said, are now exploring and actively working with XRP ETFs, which is exchange traded funds. All right, that adds into the liquidity of XRP. Meaning the XRP could be exchanged almost anywhere in the world. When first Bitcoin started trading, it wasn't everywhere in the world. Technically, you'd have to go like some sketchy place to get Bitcoin. It was on the computer. We came a long way. Anyways, from denial to demand a few years ago, XRP was in legal trouble SEC lawsuit. And oh my God, the headache with XRP and this SEC literally caused a lag in price for 4 years. Now the tide has turned. Institutions are racing to get exposure, racing for ETFs like it's 1849 all over again. This is a gold rush analogy because of the 1849 gold rush. Firms were scrambling to offer ETFs back in the day, and now they're offering XRP ETFs, trying to profit from early adoption. I said 1849 ETFs. There was no ETFs. I'm saying it's like California golden rush over there. So it's similar analogy to the gold rush, right? So XRP is the next coin to go up. Will it take Ethereum's number 2 spot? Doubtful, but anything could happen. The XRP era has officially begun. This is just a punchline. And you know, ChatGPT translate one line at a time. We know what this is all about. XRP era has begun. Well, duh. I mean, it's been begun ever since we blew past $1. Anyways, guys, that's it for my update with XRP today. If you like these videos, please hit the like button below and subscribe. I'm gonna come out with more updates with XRP and the top 3 coins really from now on. Thank you so much and have a good day.